Good morning students. Today we will learn how to match capital letters with small letters. We have already learned and written capital letters and small letters A to I. So you can easily identify the capital letters and small letters. So let's start this activity. First of all, mention here CW means classwork. Now next, match the capital letters with small letters. Look here students, here some capital letters we will write in left side, and this side we will write in a small letter in right side. Okay, now we will match capital letter to small letter. Now first letter, which letter is this? Yes, capital B. Now we will find out small b. We will search small b. Where is small b? It is no, this, no, this, yes. This is a small b. Now we will match capital B to small b. Now match it. Next, which letter is this? Capital E. Now search small e. Where is small e, students? Yes, this is small e. Now we will match capital E to small e. Match it. Next, which letter is this? Capital H. Now we will search small h. Where is small h? Yes, it is small h. Now we will match capital H to small h. Okay, now match it. Then next, capital I. Now we will find out small I. Where is small I? Yes, this is small I. Now we will match capital I to small I. Now match it. Next, which letter is this? Capital D. Now we will find out small d. Where is small d? It is no. It is, students, no. This, yes. It is small d. Now we will match capital D to small d. Now next, which letter is this? Capital A. Okay. Now we will search small a. It is no. This, no. This, yes. This is small a. Now we will match it. Now next, capital F. Now we will search small f. Yes, it is small f. Now we will match capital F to small f. Match it. Now last letter, which letter is this? Capital C. Now we will where is small c? Yes, it is small c. Now we will match capital C to small c. Match it. Okay students, our matching is complete. So same as your homework. Okay students, now this is your homework. HW means homework. Okay, you have match capital letter to small letter, same like this. Okay students, now students, take out your English small book, shining capital and small letters. So students, open your book, page number 2 and page number 3. Okay, now students, we have already written capital A and small a. Okay, now you have complete both page. This is your homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.